Hi everyone, and welcome back to this series of lessons on Gothic literature. Today we're going to be focusing on vampire fiction, and in particular Dracula. So, these lessons on vampire fiction aren't just going to be today, it's going to be for the rest of the week as well. So, the learning objective and success criteria for the whole week is as follows. To consider the history and the conventions of vampire fiction, to evaluate what we already know and understand about vampire fiction, to assess our understanding against prominent textual examples, and to think creatively about themes and characterization. Okay. So first of all, I would like us to do this activity. The character of Dracula has been presented to audiences in lots of different guises. He has also been given a lot of different names. Bram Stoker's 1897 novel popularised the myth, but it did not invent the vampire. How many different names for Dracula do you know? So I'm just going to give you a couple of seconds to write down your answer for that, and then we'll move on. Okay, so what I would like you to do now is read this extract from Dracula for me, and then straight after that I would like you to answer some comprehensive questions. So I'm going to leave that up for a couple of seconds, but just pause the video and obviously read it through on your own. And then you can move on to this page. So pause the video, give this a read, and then we can go on to the questions. All right then. So these are the questions I would like you to answer. After reading the extract from Bram Stoker's Dracula, please answer the following comprehensive questions, writing in full sentences and using evidence from the text to support your ideas. So number 1, how would you describe the character of Harker? Number 2, what impression are you given of Transylvania? 3, how does Stoker inject a sense of anxiety into proceedings? And 4, what on the other hand sets a more relaxed tone? And number 5, what are your initial impressions of Count Dracula? All right then, so answer those questions for me. It shouldn't take you any longer than 20 minutes. And then you can upload those to Teams. If you've got any questions, you can either comment on this video or email me, or however you want to do it. This is our extension task as well. So red flight paths, you need to be doing this, please. Make a note of all of the antiquated 19th century words and phrases you are unfamiliar with. So yes, I said that for red flight paths, but actually for all of you, this would be really, really useful. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Good luck with it. Any questions, just ask.